Welcome back to the Wheelie Good Auto Detailing channel. Today I'm going to go over the care package I leave in every single vehicle after a detail, as well as explain how to use it to best keep your vehicle looking as good as it can for as long as it can. Now, the first thing I want to point out is a package of interior wipes. This is great for all hard interior surfaces, whether it's seats, dashboard, console, any of that. These interior wipes are perfectly safe for. And then a microfiber towel just for some light dusting or to use in conjunction with these wipes, which I'm going to show you now. Now, this dashboard has gotten a little dusty since it was last cleaned. So this is a time where you take out one of these wipes to clean the dashboard. I usually include about 3 of them in the care package so you can get the most out of it. So you're going to take the wipe the surface down, get all that dust. Then you're going to take the microfiber towel, really lightly go over everything, make sure the surface is completely dry, and just like that, a formerly dusty dashboard is good to go.